Hello students, we are going to see today topic lithosphere 1 endogenetic processes. Already we learned about the topic like volcanoes, active, dormant, extinct. These are the types of volcanoes. I think yesterday classes we learned these three types of classes. Today we are going to learn the composite volcanoes, volcanic dome, sealed volcano, distributions of earthquake and volcanoes, effects of volcanoes. From this, constructive effects, destructive effects. Okay students, before entering the topics, we want to see the pictures of the volcanoes. It's a ash, it's a cone, it's a vent means it's a wave, and crater, main vent, and lava flow. So this is the modern structures of volcanoes. And yesterday classes we learned the active volcano. Active volcano means always this type of volcanoes will erupt the lavas. Example they given Mount St. Helens in the US, United States. And second one, dormant volcanoes or sleeping volcanoes. It's volcanoes that do not show any sign of volcanic activities for a long period. It's never to eject the lava and long period, but one day it goes to erupt the lavas. It is known as dormant volcanoes or sleeping volcanoes. Example Mount Fuji in Japan. And third types, extinct or dead volcanoes. When a volcano permanently stops its volcanic activities, it's permanently it will be never to eject the lava. And volcanoes can also be classified based on the structure and composition. Based on the classified its structure and composition as composite volcano, sealed volcano, and dormant dome volcanoes. And let me see the composite volcano. Composite volcanoes also known as strata volcano is a conical volcano. It's a shape like conical, built by many layers or hardened lava, the pumic and volcanic ash. These are commonly found in the Pacific Ocean. The example Mount Fuji in Japan. The composite volcano example for Mount Fuji in Japan. Mostly it will be found in the Pacific Ocean side. Next type, volcanic dome. A lava dome or volcanic dome is roughly circular mound. This type of volcano, it's like a circular dome. Circular, you know this? The lava from volcano, as the lava is rich in silica and intense viscosity, it is prevented from flowing far from its vent. Far from vent means far away distance it will be fly. Example, the Mexico Paricutin. Next type, sealed volcano. See here, they given a picture. See here given the sealed volcano pictures. It's like a dome. The sealed volcanoes are formed by intense viscous lava. Viscous lava means it's ash. These are shallow depositions with gently sloping sides. Hence the lava flows out in all directions, create a sealed. Example Mauna Loa, Hawaii. Examples they given for us Mauna Loa, Hawaii. Next our topic, distributions of earthquakes and volcanoes. First let me see the earthquakes. Most earthquakes and Sorry students, some disturbance happens. Most earthquakes or volcanic eruptions do not strike randomly but occur along plate. About the plate we are seeing the three category of the convergent, divergent, like this. One such area in a circum-Pacific ring of fire. This area is only in the world. Most number of earthquake and volcanoes will happen in these areas, because here only the mid-ocean of the Pacific will connect. The ring of fire in the most seismically and volcanic active zone in the world. The other destructive major belt and mid-oceanic ridges and mid-continental belt and the alpine Himalayan belt. These are the belt regions will connect the plates, like North America and South America, and Africa it goes to fit in our India, and North America and South America goes to fit the Africa. So from this belt, from this mid belt areas, it will be very dangerous one for earthquake and volcanoes. I think we came to end of the lessons. Effects of volcanoes. So what are the effects will happen on the volcanoes? First one is constructive effects. Second one is destructive effects. It is also other words for merits and demerits. Constructive effect is also known as merits, and destructive effects also is known as demerits. What are the uses will happen for us from the volcanoes? The volcanic materials enrich the soil fertility that promote agricultural activities. The hot volcanic regions helps generate the geothermal energy. Many dormant and active volcanoes are most attract tourist spot. And another one important point, tourist points. Most of the volcanic materials are used building materials. The last topic, demerits of the volcanoes. Volcanic eruptions cause earthquake, flash floods, mudslide and rockfall. What are the demerits of the earthquake? Volcanoes: earthquake, flash floods, landslide, rockfall. The large amount of dust and make breathing hard and irritable. Irritable means we are getting some disturbance from the volcanoes. The volcanic eruptions can alert the weather conditions, disturb transport. Example, islands volcanic eruptions. From this island, many times it will happen to disturb to the transport systems in and around of the volcanic regions. Okay students, I hope the lithosphere one, the endogenetic process, it will be covered through the online classes. Tomorrow I will give one evaluation, that is for assessment part test. Thank you.